Coffee. Gonna have a little peek in our food barrel. Blueberries, trail mix, different things. We're gonna make some oats as we get further in. All our dinners are like this. Shepherd's pie beef, that'll be good. Sausage. Oh, this is a repair kit. Oh, I might need that because my water bag tipped over and has a hole in it, which I don't know how that happened, but I've probably filtered hundreds of liters of water with that thing over the years. So if it cracked now, that's not a big deal. Here's our meal plan, how we kind of make sure we don't forget to eat food or eat too much. Lisa's just about got the tent packed up. Well, the sleeping gear. Had a bit of rain last night, but it's actually a pretty nice morning. Pretty good start. The weather was looking a little scary an hour ago, so I kind of wanted to get going. Put my camera and everything in the dry bags, expecting rain and wind. Let's see how far we can get today. The smoke haze cleared with the rain, so we might actually get to see some mountains and not just silhouettes. Yeah, this would be the day to build a sail, except I don't really know how to sail a canoe, so we'll have to practice that skill on a smaller lake and then...
Narrow lake would be a good one.
Oh, paddle fight. Wow, look at all this beach. I didn't get to explore because it was kind of rainy last night.
I was really hoping to go for a walk.
Yeah. Oh, probably good fishing off the point too. What is it, Monday? Weird. There's days out here?
I don't know. It's day 3, that's all you need to know.
Yeah, day 3. Oh yeah, this is great.
Woo! This might be a good fish pond. Oh, you're not trying.
Well, it's nice to be paddling instead of climbing mountains, but there'd probably be a better view from that alpine up there. It would have been 2 hours to get here last night. Oh, and there's a cabin.
Oh.
Oh, wow. Maybe everyone's sleeping in there. Wait, there's no canoes here. It would have to be pretty bad for me to sleep in one of those, like, mice run.
I'm setting up a wet tent.
Oh, yeah. I didn't even notice that the rod was tugging. Come on, this one's not hitting the surface. Maybe it's a bull trout. I don't have a fishing net, so... Oh, you're just... No, you are a tiny fish. Oh, yeah. Ah! Oh, he got away.
I got the video.
That was just a little doinker. Where are you going? There's a chopper. Hopefully no one's getting rescued. Hopefully they're not coming for us. They're going that way. Yeah. There's people up ahead. That must be the site. I wonder if that's the group. Nah, they must have set out by now. It's already 11:15.
Unless today's the rest day.
This is 21A on Isaac Lake. This is nice sandy kind of beach. There's a lot of driftwood, but warm shallow entrance. Lots of flat, cleared 5 tent pads and yeah, beautiful.
I could spend all day in this water.
Yeah. This would have been a wicked one to stay for Didn't quite make it. Maybe next time. Moving along at a pretty good clip. With the wind and the current behind us. You do not want to paddle upstream. It wouldn't be impossible, it would just suck. It's actually 5. Kind of a tight sight though. But look at this blue. Wind's picking up. We just had a real quick lunch. Getting there. Hopefully it doesn't get shallower. We'll just get some momentum here. That'll be good. That was a little treacherous.
I hate that Sanders Rainbow peanut butter wrap.
I didn't think it would be that good. I'm like, I don't want a peanut butter sandwich with no jam, but
That's pretty crunchable.
it definitely works. Wraps are the solution. Yeah, don't bring bread. It'll just get swished. So bring pre-swished bread.
Pre-squish.
I just buried my hat in the pack because I was so sure it was gonna be cloudy if not rainy today.
Yeah.
And then I didn't feel like digging it out, so I have no hat, but I'll survive with sunscreen, hopefully. You somehow want everything packed away, but also still accessible if you need it. But you don't just want it laying around.
That looks like it was a waterfall.
Oh, what?
A waterfall.
Yeah.
Oh, it's still shifting.
Yeah. It's nice. I saw a good bumper sticker once that says, "He who hesitates is not only lost, but also miles from the nearest exit." You get it?
No.
Oh. Life is old, they're older than the trees, younger than the mountains, blowing like a breeze. Country roads, take me home to a place I belong. West Virginia, mountain mama, take me home. Country roads. "5:30, sun's going down over the mountain. We found a nice site here. It was a bit of a mad dash at the end of the lake, but it was all for nothing, or none of the sites were taken. Just drying out the gear, do some charging. But check this out. Giant tree fell and they made a table and having some hot Genoa. Probably gonna ruin this thing. Yeah, where's the paddle? I've carved my first paddle, hopefully not the last, but I guess it's a tradition to hang paddles in the cabin over there. It really looks like a spatula, but if you're like really lanky and tiny, you could maybe use this. Free food in here, look. Very. Oh, the map's all covered in shit. Basically, we went from over here, not even on the map, to here, 27. And then swoosh. Show the dinner. So curry, rehydrated. I threw in a hot pepper, which was a great idea.
We're gonna have some boiled eggs.
On the next episode of Bowen Lake Canoe Circuit. It's just a lake. Yeah, just keep paddling. Nothing to it.